how to add comments in Figma. If you look up here in the top left corner, you can see the last tool is going to be this add comment one. So you can click on this or type C on your keyboard, and now you can add a comment to anywhere on the page. For example, I can type it here, and maybe the person who's going to work on this has to make a change to it. So I can say this is too big, or make the text thinner because it's bolded right now. So this might be something that we want the other person to edit. So we can just we can also add smileys or mention that person who has to edit it, or also upload images and GIFs and so on. So once I click on submit, they will be able to see this, and they can resolve the issue or work on the comment we have. So we can go in here, and the options we have is to reply to this. Maybe we have a question or we finished it, and we can go to these comment actions. Like, we can mark this as unread, we can copy a link to it, or delete the whole thread altogether. We can also click on this one, which is mark as resolved. If we do this, this will remove the comment as well, because the task is completed in a way. Or we can dock it to the side. So let's say we resolved it, and as you can see, it disappeared. And there's also one last thing. We can if we have a comment, we can hide all the comments by pressing Shift C on our keyboard, and they will disappear. And we can bring them back by typing again Shift plus C. And that's it. That's how you add comments in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.